Hi everyone, it's your girl Michelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about this gorgeous new unit that I just installed. So yeah, let's get on into it. So this hair was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. All their information, links, and all stuff like that will be in the description box as always. So to get this color, all I did was make a little bath out of water and purple shampoo, stirred it really good, and then just dunked the hair in the mixture, and I let it sit for about 15 minutes. So I got this color. It is not as white as I would love for it to be, so I might make it more white, or yeah. So yeah, so you guys, I'm going to be installing and curling it for you guys today. So let's get on into it. Let's get on into the install. The first thing I'm going to do is apply some tinted lace spray. Now I'm kind of nervous to do this because I do not want the spray to get onto the roots of the hair, but it's just a risk that I'm gonna have to take because I have to tint the lace, and I don't really want to do the makeup method because that I feel like is going to be easier for makeup to get on there. So I'm just trying to see kind of like how far away can I spray and color still land. So I think, yeah, that's a good distance to where the color is like barely getting on there. I'm nervous. Okay, here I'm going to start with this side of the lace, which will be here, because I know if I part my hair, I'm going to part it on this side, so that way if I part on this side and, you know, the color bleeds, it'll be okay. Oh child, y'all, I'm nervous. Okay, let's just, oh no, but I don't want it to end up getting on the hair. Okay, we're just gonna try this. I don't know. Okay. As you guys can see, I did not spray a whole lot of this lace tint spray, and I also use the light warm brown color, and normally I use like the dark brown, which I'm starting to think maybe I should stick with this color. This color looks a little bit better on me. So yeah, I used a light warm brown color and I sprayed from a distance, as you guys saw in the little clip. And so it's time to get to installing this hair. Just so you guys know, if you're seeing like this brown, it is not my wig cap. It is a band-aid to protect my tragus piercing because I just got it and I don't want to get like product and stuff like that on it. Okay, so now that the wig is pretty much in position to where I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front of my hairline. I just personally like to cut my hairline first. People do this all different types of ways. You don't have to cut your lace first, but that is just the way that makes the most sense to me, and I feel like I get the best install when I do it this way.
When it comes time to cutting the lace, I prefer to use an eyebrow razor, and I actually prefer to make the edges a little bit jagged. I feel like this makes the install look the most natural as possible. Okay, so for the install, I will be using the product ORS Olive Oil Fix Grip Gel Ultra Hold. Woo, that was a mouthful, goodness gracious. But I have absolutely been loving this product. I have been using it on my past few installs, and I feel like honestly it is superior to Got2b gel. I feel like it's a perfect combination of something that's like more temporary, so it's not like a full-on glue. However, you can really get a couple days out of this if you want to, without your hairline looking crazy if you're not sweating a lot. So I definitely recommend this product. It is not sponsored, by the way. However, I will have like an affiliate link in the description box for you guys to purchase it if you choose to. Something else that I really like about this product that I forgot to mention is that I feel like it's a little bit easier to work with if you are someone new to frontals, because you can kind of move the hairline around a little bit if you accidentally stick it somewhere where you're like, oh, I don't want it to be there. Whereas with Got2b, you guys, if you stick it there, baby, your lace is messed up. You just need to leave it where it's at. So if you're someone that installs wigs, you kind of get what I'm saying. But yeah, I feel like it's just a little bit more workable.
while doing my makeup, I got some makeup on my lace, and now I feel like my lace kind of looks crazy. I don't really know how I'm gonna make that work, but we're gonna fix it some kind of way. So I did curl my hair for the most part. However, I left these top 2 sections so that way I could show you guys how exactly I curl my hair, because I figured you guys were gonna want like me to show you how I got these curls. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is take, this is the section, this is the part. So what I'm gonna do, should I break this down? Okay, I'm gonna break this down into 2 different sections to show you guys. These are about the section sizes that I get. Then for this side of my head, what I'm gonna do is open the barrel, and then I'm going to take the ends and put it closer to my face, okay? And wrap going up, but tilting the top of the iron down. So I hope that made sense. I'm gonna do it a couple times, so yeah. All of the way that you hold the curling iron really does matter, and it really does affect how your curls turn out, so yeah. Now you don't have to pin curl your hair like I did afterwards, but because I knew I was going to be taking photos and how loose these curls were going to be, I just didn't want to run the risk of them falling. I really do think they hold better when you obviously pin curl them and let them set for a minute. Oh, chill. Okay, I'm running here, so I'm going to explain it one more time. You're going to take the hair, put it through the clamp, then twirl the end of the hair going closer to your face. Oh, this hair is like too small of a section, so it's not going to stay all the way down. But you're going to curl it going away from your face, but tilt the iron down. I really hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please just watch what I do and try to emulate it, because that's the best way you can kind of figure out what I'm doing. And then you don't really have to hold it for too long, especially if you're taking small sections. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my hair with a little bit of oil sheen. Not too much though, just in case I have to recurl some pieces. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair down. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Honestly, it's really late now and I'm really overdoing my hair. Yes, I need to clean up probably my part a little bit more, but I really like how my hair turned out other than that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MichaelaMichelle. Bye.